urban management and smart cities applications, traffic monitoring and urban logistics, high buildings smart cleaning, urban planning and land management, waste management monitoring, security and law enforcement support, emergency response, seven times 24 all-day auto inspection. A command is issued from the monitoring center. The aircraft takes off from its dock and begins the patrol mission. When the task is completed or the battery is running low, it can fly to any dock within the urban network. Automatically swap its battery using a robotic arm. And seamlessly continue the next mission.